Good morning, everybody. 11:30. Let's talk about today. I think that we are likely is a funny word. We're at the target, right? So I don't really know what the flagging is going to look like through here or if it's just going to go. But I do know that if we reclaim this, I'm looking for an end of the month push. And the end of the month is on Monday, okay? So we could be done for today. We could get a little bit more. I'm just making it in case we're done for today. So whatever the flagging looks like through here, I want one more last push towards about 7,900 on Monday or Tuesday. That would be the best case scenario for us. That's what I'm looking for. After that, we're going to look for some flagging up here in this area, and then we're going to look to play the breakdown of that flag and try to play it back down to 7,600. Let's talk about some of the strategies. Netflix, I'm planning on taking profit on with whatever the push is towards 7,900. I don't know what that is. I thought it could get into the mid 90s. Maybe that's too optimistic. I don't know. We'll see. I'll say something when it's time. Apple, I do think that can get to where we're going, 345. So we'll take profit on Apple. We'll take profit on Netflix. We'll take profit on Palantir. Those are going to be the three take profits: Apple, Netflix, Palantir. Remember those. Let's talk about Upstart. I think Upstart has to sweep the lows again because it's not going on this push and it just swept the highs. So it's probably going to come down here and do the whole thing again. The thing is it's in such a tight range. I don't see the point in buying and selling and trying to play this range. It just is what it is. It's probably going to come down here and do this thing again, or maybe even sweep out these lows. It doesn't really matter. Like if it wants to fill the gap, that's fine too. Especially if ES wants to go down to what do you call it? 60 or 7,600 from 7,900. I do plan on shorting Palantir and possibly SpaceX if it can actually make it higher. It doesn't need to make it all the way up here. It could just make it to here. But if it doesn't get all the way to this target, I might not short SpaceX. I might just do with Palantir and VIX calls. We'll see. We'll find out a hedge when it's time to go. Let's talk about Mara and Riot, because right after I made my bull video, they're flushing today. Well, guess what? It's in a giant flag, and it sucks. It sucks to be in a flag, but that's what it is. It's a big flag, and the flag is in the big range. So I take it as comfort that nobody is talking about this morning. That means you're either not watching the charts or you're just used to the volatility. Either one is probably better for your bottom line, right? I do know that it's just testing the 200 again, which, you know what, it seems to be. It really, really likes to test that. So there you go. That's what the flag is so far. Even if it flushes it, I would expect it to reclaim it soon after. Okay, so no big deal there. Mara still leads Riot. You're still going to want to be longer Mara first, then Riot. I don't have any reason to get back into AMD yet. Yeah, I don't know. I think the main moves, guys, are take profits and look for what to hedge here and try to get a runner long. Try to get a runner long up to 7,900 while we figure out if we can reclaim this flag. So I'll write this plan up as a flag reclaim. And that flag is from 7,777 to 7,800. If that reclaims, we expect a big pop to like 7,900. Then we're going to try to fade that pop. And we will take it from there. But this is not a change of opinion. This is the same one I've had since the beginning of the roadmap. When I started writing this thing, the end of August. Well, the beginning of the end of August, right? In August 22nd-ish. I still believe this to be the case. We just have to clear this flag to do it. So I'll write this as a flag clear to go higher. Once we clear the flag, we'll look for what to do about that later. If we never clear this, then I'm just wrong. But I think it's probably just needs to flag here, find its higher low, and then it's going to go one more time. And then we're going to plan for that kind of thing. Oh, I didn't cover Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's probably, if it's not going to run now, it's probably going to run over the weekend. If you want to get back into Bitcoin, somebody was asking Bitcoin, you'd long 78 with a stop at 75.5. This would be for a fresh position. Obviously, this is not what I'm telling anybody to do. What you really should have done is you should have longed down in the lower 60s, took profit at 74, held the majority of your position for this entire move to 125, because adding mid-run is not the best idea. But if you are looking to add to it, that's how you would do it. Okay? That's about it, guys. Easy peasy. Take care, guys. Bye.